What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and sad to say, my last Cars and Coffee Kuwait. I want to give a huge shout out to Louis and Sultan, the owners of Cars and Coffee Kuwait. Finally got out to one, man. I have been so busy with work. Technically, got my guy Joe here with me as well. We're on lunch break. We're gonna check out some cars. We're gonna go talk to Sultan. He just put some new rims on his 440 Scatpack. See a good bit of cars out here in the city this morning. It's nice. It's about 75 degrees, 70 degrees. But let's get to it. Let me know what's your favorite car. So there's one thing that the Middle East does. It's have a Supra, which you can see we got carbon hood, satin black, carbon fenders, pop off steering wheel. I've actually never seen that in a Supra. That's wild. I may be looking at something, I don't know what I'm looking at, but that's crazy. Like I said, Supras on Supras on Supras. Obviously your B58 Supras, and then a real Supra, right? It's one of my favorite body styles. Big wing in the back. He actually has a paint matched roll cage. But this is your Need for Speed car, man. This is what made people fall in love with vehicles. You can see manual transmission. Then your R34, he comes out often. Craziest color blue. Obviously you can see the difference in the two, but your nice R34 tow hook. Another Supra, a Z06 in a solid color. You know, one thing about the Z06, and it's something that I'm looking at, I didn't know until like not too long ago, all Z06 and the C6s were manual, but I guess I just never paid attention. And of course the carbon fiber hood, Z01 with the tow hook. My guy Malik just got one of these back home, and it's starting to grow on me. He's got the 1LE track package with the big wing. Fisheye, crazy color. You got Z01, obviously check the difference. Big drag pack in the rear. Well, Lagunas. And this thing sounds insane. This C7 is cammed. It sounds crazy, crazy loud. Hopefully I'll catch it on the way out. We got a carbon fibered out M2 in the satin gunmetal gray. And then we're finally at the car we're here for. All right, you guys have seen this car on the channel plenty of times, right? But the one difference is he did the OEM 5-spoke chrome Hellcat wheels for his 440 Shaker Scatpack. It is a definite one of one. He's got a bunch of small details, hood pins, tow hook, 5-spoke Hellcat chrome wheels. He's got a roll cage. He's got a leather wrapped hood to make it more of an old school look. Again, he's still a Shaker hood. And then he added the louvers. Right, but it overall completed the look. And if you've heard this on the channel before, it does sound crazy. It is cammed out, but this is Sultan's car. We got a nice GTO, chromed out. And then we even got a Cadillac in a blue and gold. That's wild. And we got a red satin chrome. I actually saw it when I pulled up, and it's one of the ones I wanted to show you guys. But satin chrome is actually one of my favorite colors. I wanted to do it previously in a blue satin chrome. Got a nice BMW in a carbon fiber hood, Volkswagen. Then we got some cars over here. We got Joe, right, in his 1,000 horsepower Hellcat Superstock, but we'll talk to him in a minute. But we got some other cars. We got my favorite color, blue Corvette, big wing. It's got the Z06 wing, carbon on the back. These started to grow on me for a little bit, especially with the top down. 100% a summer car, but it's growing on me. And then one of my favorite GTRs in Kuwait, you have these bronze Rohana wheels. And if you know me, bronze wheels are my thing. And Rohana is actually what is on Carrie's car. Then you see a bunch of forged carbon literally everywhere on this car. Hood, mirror caps, big wing. He did not spare an expense on this GTR. One of the better looking ones. Got a Mustang 5.0. And we're gonna get over to the Lotus. This is the other owner. I think there's 3. Don't quote me, Sultan, so don't hate me. But I believe this is another person that is a part of Cars and Coffee. Half Kuwaiti, half British. Crazy car. It's just the fact that it's a track car. It's just smaller. And if you know I'm gonna do a track car, you can see the British flag and all that stuff. I'm gonna do a track car. I'm gonna go to a Porsche one day, but you can see all the carbon. But we got a couple cars coming out. Let's go talk. I learned that the Pontiac behind me is actually LS swapped. And if you know, obviously I've changed over to Chevy. I'm still a Mopar guy at heart, obviously. Your Cam 440 Scatpack is my favorite one. But I'm learning more about LS swaps and the ease of them. And you're talking about this is a car in the Middle East that's been LS swapped. It's literally LS swapped the world. But again, Joe and his super stock, if you don't know who that is, Joe is out of Columbia, South Carolina. He's got 1,000 horsepower or more. I think it's like 1,100 to the wheels, by the way. White super stock. So be looking for that on the channel. As soon as we get home, we'll be linking up at the track and obviously just out and about. So get with him. But other than that, let me know what your favorite car was. I got to get back to work. Sultan, Louis, thanks for introducing me out here, helping me with Cars and Coffee, bringing me a part, helping me be a part of it. It's been cool. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you give Cars and Coffee Kuwait a follow on Instagram. And it's a wrap. About to go for a ride. I'm going for a quick ride. All right. So I finally drove it. That's a crazy ride. That's the only way I can tell you. When it stopped, it shakes. It sounds crazy. It only takes a little bit to get into the throttle. Yeah, I just had the time of my life in what they call Charlotte.